Hey guys, we are here at the Rainstorm car wash near the Meijer in the Hamburg Place Shopping Center in Lexington. We just bought the $25 ceramic wash, and we're gonna go through this in the elevator channel. This is for you since you film a lot of car washes. And we are on the 2012 Ford Escape. I shot a review of about a month ago. So I think we'll start with going through, and then you get off pedals, and hands off, wipers off.
What does it say?
Neutral.
Neutral.
Yep. Off pedals. Oh, you are. Oh. So we're gonna go through our pre-soak here, and this is one of those track ones. We're gonna go through our pre-soak. And this is a tunnel system. If someone could tell me what brand this is, it would be greatly appreciated. And now we're gonna hit our buffers. Fruit scented chemicals. Lights are pretty cool too. I honestly don't know very much about car washes, so I'm not sure everything that's going on here. But we have some buffers and stuff. So I assume these are all just doing their thing. Like just cleaning off the car. So it looks like we got soap on the car now. So I bet next up will be a rinse. Yep, this is a high pressure rinse, is what it looks like. This is probably our ceramic protectant. And that's probably our spot-free rinse. And then these look like some pretty serious dryers up here, don't they? Do you care if I like to pull over into a parking spot so I can look at the car? Thank you. Man, these are some serious looking dryers. See if I can figure out what I name. This is a newer car wash. It's a couple years old, but... Oh, this is a Sonny's tunnel car wash. See, I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, you can't see. But this is a Sonny's car wash. The elevator channel filmed a lot of these before. And there's the Hamburg Place Shopping Center Meijer's. Well, the dryer's left a little bit to be desired. We're good to go. Yeah, the dryers definitely could have been better. But it looks like it did a pretty decent job, gotta say. Let's go ahead and check it. Oh, and we get free vacuum cleaners too, I think. Yep. You wanna go ahead and pull over?
I don't think it's free.
We'll investigate. Go ahead and hop out of the car. Ooh, we have free detail supplies. Hop out. See how this thing did. The dryer's left a bit to be desired, but assuming this is all spot-free water, I think it did quite a good job. So that is it.